This is how I choose which ND filter to use when I'm flying my Avata. So the first thing I do is go into the menu, make sure I'm on manual. I'm recording 4K 60, so I want the shutter speed of 1/120th. Then I get my ND filters and I hold them over the front of the lens and see which one looks better with these settings. Now this is an ND8, it looks quite good, but now I'm going to try an ND16. And hold that over the front. The sky looks much better with that, but I'm just going to compare that again with the ND8. Yeah, I think I actually prefer the ND16 on this occasion, so I'm going to put that on to the lens and then give it a good clean to make sure there aren't any fingerprints on the front of the ND filter. Then I go back into settings. I then change the mode to auto. I go to Decine-like. You don't have to go to Decine-like, but I like to colour grade. It's very easy, and I'll be doing a video on that soon. And this is the result. And this is the Decine-like footage, and it will gradually change to my colour grade. And it's as easy as that, and that's how I do it. As I say, I will be doing a video on how I colour grade. It's very easy, brings out much better colours. Thank you for watching.